John has just graduated college and wants to start his career. There are a lot of openings in his field. He has applied to a lot of jobs, but no one has gotten back in touch with him. John is scared that he'll never find a good job, and he's thinking he'll never pay his student loans back. Does this sound familiar? But John gets an idea. He decides to get some help. John is a perfect candidate, but he just doesn't know how to get himself noticed. So he gets his CV revamped, his social media presence is enhanced, and his cover letter lands him an interview immediately. We all need a hand sometime, so I've helped over 2,000 people like John land their dream job. Do you want to start your success story? Be like John. Let me help you take the first step.